when it comes to supporting people with their plans, we shouldn't just ask who, when, or why. Above all, we should ask ourselves, how? How can we make it easier for them to find their way forward? Because that's what we continue our development for every day, and have always returned giants to their former glory. We help out hard-working sea dogs when a successful catch calls for a good old cleanup, and lend a hand to everyone creating their very own happy place. For them, we constantly improve our performance and become even more reliable day by day. We keep the wheels turning. For our hard-nosed kings of the mountains who see the bigger picture. For the diligent early birds and all those who want to have a clear view. Everywhere. For our freedom-loving explorers who keep it spontaneous, but don't want to miss out on anything. As well as for the home-keeping heroes with an eye for detail. For all of them, we do our best and promote their qualities through our quality. Consistently. Because cleanliness preserves value.